Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hairi bin Hashim. I'm a lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department from Polytechnic Kuala Terengganu. Today, I'm going to take you to look around what we have in this electronic lab. Okay? First, we have meter. Okay, meter, voltmeter, AC and DC to measure the voltage and current. Using this trainer, okay, so they will make a connection, make a circuit, and then make a connection. They can find the value of the voltage, current, and resistance. Okay, the next instrument is multimeter. Okay, for the multimeter, student will use this multimeter to find the current value, voltage value, and resistance value. Okay. This part is more enjoying and interesting because student will using oscilloscope. This is analog oscilloscope. This one is digital oscilloscope. The digital more colorful display. Okay. Then this one is signal generator to generate a signal and reading by the oscilloscope. Okay. Okay, for the last experiment, student will build their own brace circuit. Okay, the brace circuit can measure the force, resistance value, the unknown value. So student will make their own circuit depending on the value of the resistor. Okay, also use this module KL21001 linear circuit lab. Okay, that's all part of instrument that I use to teach my student for this measurement course DEE 1012. Okay, hope you enjoying watch this video, and then if you want to know more about the equipment in electrical instrument, so you can enter Polytechnic. Okay, register to Polytechnic, and then you can learn and knowing what this all instrument can do, what you can do with all this instrument. Okay, bye bye.